Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve a question about joint distribution functions. Let's look at the question. Given the joint probability table, compute the answer questions. The first one, fill the table. So we should fill the table. And let's start with here. And this 1, 2, and 3 should be equal to 0.5. So here is 0.2, and the grand total must be is equal to 1. And by looking at that, and 0.3 plus 0.4 minus 1 is gives here, and by here this column, and here is 0, and after that here is 0, and 0.1 and 0.2, and here is 0.1, and here must be 0.2. Okay. In the second one, it asks us to find the marginal probabilities. So I'm going to write them one by one. Px2, Px3, and Py1, Py2, Py3. Okay, it means that when you look the table, x is 1, so it's actually ask us this row, and our question will be 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.1, so 0.5, and px2 is equal to this one actually, and it is 0.1 plus 0.2, so it is 0.3, and p3 is 0 plus 0.1 plus 0.1, so it is 0.2 again. And when we look at the py1, it is ask us this column actually, and our answer will be 0.2 plus 0.1, and it's equal to 0.3, and p2 py2 is equal to 0.2 plus 0 plus 0.1, and it's equals to 0.3, and the last one py3 is 0.4, and this one is also done. In the third question, it asks us find the conditional probabilities below, so I'm going to write them here. It is x equals 1 given y equals 1, so I can write this question as Bayes theorem, and I'm going to write it as like that. But this one is also marginal probability. So for this part, we look at here. It says that x1 and y1s intersect, so it is 0.2, and as we did before, py1 is 0.3, and we can also look from this column, and 0.3, so it's equals to 2/3. And second one is I'm going to do the same thing. Px equals 2 given y2 over p y2. I'm going to write. So it should be intersect. So in x2 and y2, and as we can see it is 0 over py, it's 0.3, so it's 0. P x equals 1 given y equals 2 equals to the same thing. Py 2, so x1 is equals 1 and x equals 1 and y equals 2, so it is here this 0.2 and over py2, so it is 2, it's again it equals to 2 over 3, and fourth one is py equals 1 given x equals 1. So in this time x is given, so I'm going to change the orders. So it's again y equals 1, x equals 1, and their intersect is 0.2 and marginal probability of x, so it is this row, and we also find it in the first part. And so answer is 2 over 5, and finally for last one, probability that y equals 2 given x equals 3. This one is y equals 2 intersect x equals 3 over probability x 3, and it is y equals 2 and x equals 3, so it is here 0.1 over px3, it is 0.2, so answer will be 1 over 3. Thank you for listening.